I like apples. Na kushu gauyo na chala daw na chala ko na mangpo daw gauyo na as tigore. I like apples. Ine Ming na sacha Ming chala Ming chongle Ming arila chongle mi do sige yore ra chasang chongle da mi Ming chikwa ko sige chasang apple na kapar ki soe di Ming ra chongle kapar ki chongle Ming ra chasang I like apple chiku chila mi chongle di ko ire chasang kushu go na I like apples. Which class are you in? Ana kerang sinda kagi nangla yo at you. I am in the English class now. Inji sinda. Uh, I am in English class. Nga inji sinda la yo. Which is your class? Kerang zinda kagire to you. This is my class, Lana. De ngay zinda re. How are you, Lana? How are you? To Kerang de wimba to you. Rang kangda doe to you. I am fine, thank you. And you? The need the ni chupsido sundire. I am fine, thank you. Ana nga de oi tuche the lenga yurera. Me tiwagana. How are you tiwagana? I am fine, thank you. To lenga yurera. Ani yang tiwa sa jela tiwaga yure. And you? Ana ani kera tiwaga yure. Chazang the this good. Thank you, Jela. I am fine, thank you. Nga de oi tuche. Ani kera? And you? How is your health? Kena de oi bat. Rangi today kangda doe tier. I am very good. How about you? But deo no hajang deo yi. Kerang kangda doe. Yang de la len yap ani tiwa. This good. How do you know? Kerang ki kandes se sheso. Kandes agoya. Kandes shingyo. Tiwa geyo. I know because ani de la they make say again chigura. Just the teacher. I know because the teacher told me. Yage mangbo chik ne chik ngala la re lana. I know because a teacher told. A teacher told. Dine gegen denza mangbo ne chik ngala la lana. I know because a teacher told. Ine gegen mixe ka chik mixe ka chik yona. I know because the teacher told me that tire. How is your business lana? Kerangi chongang 강자 doa tiyo. Kerangi chongpa 강자 doa tiyo. Nala business is going well lana. Chongrang di yakbo shiudo idu layo. My business is going well, Nana. Nge chongpa yakudoidu. Ngicha kuide. Business is going well. The business is going well. Sama kuide. How do you come to class? Kirang zinda la kandes yungyo at. I come by walking. 시내까지 아니라 walking dilore. I come by walking. Kumbaga yung I come by running. Usually yung gear. Um, I come by biking. Nga kangari personal yung gear. I come by driving. Nga mura tang yung gear. Yine chala chik pwesyo tang ni yung gear lana. Ani di chik chiyo chilang dire. I come by car. Nga mota pwesyo tang ni yung gear lang. I come by car. I come by bike lan dire. Bike di chala ra. Biking lana kangari kachi tangera. Chesang ni chalan dire. Ne walk lana chala mara. Walk lan chiera. Chesang walking lord. I come by walking. How is the Namshilan Mixegi Namshi Dilayura? How is the weather now? How is the weather? Namshi Kantadoe. The weather is very good. Namshi di Hajang Yapodu. How far is your office from your home? Ana Kerangi Lekung Kerangi Nangne Tadigloyere Tier. My office is about 5 kilometers away from my home. Chik ne mangayana skedi show 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 20 kilometers. kilometer mangoira. Kilometer chikdoina is about 1 kilometer away from my home, Nandiri. A kilometer from my home. A lana A than one. How far is the bank from here? Sacha Nukang Nixe Chigyora, Chazang the bank. How far is the bank from here? It is about half of a kilometer. Kilometer chikne chekare layore. Uh, it is about half of a kilometer long. Ki half inji da ke chazang gyoko lai go yore. Chazang half a kilometer ko yore. Ni chalan dire ne half of a kilometer long. This takta do laire ne half a kilometer mo ko yore. It is about half of a kilometer. How far is your house from school? Tira kerangi nang lopta ne taring loyore tiyon. Dela from school lana yang school home lana laira di shungen di laira da mangbo layo mara chesang tam inji ke korang lara di tak tak daw ko school home. How far is your house from school? How far is your school from home? Da ta mikse gilapta ine mangula imarera ine. How far is your house from the school na de koir? Mikse gilapta layorera ine shongengi from school la de nira ta da di anzu michembo chane la imare mangbo. Ine ngicha koire ngicha landire. How far is your house from the school? It is about 3 kilometers. De tanggalado. Sumra. Kilometer sum da ore. It is kilometer sum re na yun. It is 3 kilometers. How far is London from Paris? Nana Paris ne Paris London ne tanilo yun. It is about 240 kilometers. That uh, dele kilometer ya shipju tsam yore la yun na.